This is a presentation about Internet of Things IoT by SMARTIE-GIRLS from HK1.
I'm Firzana, this is Zyinia, and this is Darniella.
So today our presentation will be divided into these points. The first one is the application of Internet of Things in smart home. The first example is smart home security, where it can assist you and directly link to the police. Having a smart home security will also help you to secure your assets and properties. Therefore, we will be able to check our security cameras and control other things in our home. It will also give us a greater peace of mind, which assists us to avoid forgetting to switch it back and leave the home unsecure. Furthermore, some systems can send out emergency messages if it senses something is wrong. This will relate us to the next point, which is smart household monitor. Let's say you are in a rush to buy some groceries while your washing machine is still on working. You can just turn it off when the laundry is done while you are still at the grocery shop. This will become one of the good ways to practice energy saving of our electrical appliances efficiently. Not only that, it can also save your time, and you can shorten your time doing house chores. First of all, IoT technology is important for health professionals to monitor their patients as well as for their patients and monitor themselves. It can even recommend treatments or general alert so that the patient can receive a quick treatment. Heart rate monitoring is very important, and the most inconvenient part of it is patients are required to be constantly attached to wired machines, causes difficulty in working. However, nowadays, a variety of heart rate monitor devices such as wristband health monitor is now available. Lastly is a access to personal emergency response systems. This will let them call for help in emergency by just pushing a button. There are a few categories of people who should on a first. This first is very convenient as the transmitters are lightweight and battery-powered devices. So when you need help, you just can press the transmitter hot button, which sends the signal to the console. The console automatically dials one or more emergency telephone numbers.
Hi everyone, I'm Darniella. So moving on, I'll be explaining of the third content, which is IoT in education. First and foremost, IoT in education can increase student engagement and interest. For example, there is a bot called Locorobo. It is a high-tech robot. Besides, IoT in education also contributing in automating processes and decrease bureaucracy. For instance, the Kajit Smart Bus is invented to replace the normal school bus. Lastly, IoT in education also benefit in resource usage optimization. To illustrate, the Magic Card printers is used by teachers or students as personal keys, as it also helps to track student usage of library resources. Next up, we have IoT in smart cities. Just to satisfy your curious mind, there are so many smart cities all around the world. In fact, we have up to 1,500 smart cities across the world. Here is some example of smart cities in different countries. So, how does IoT are implied in smart cities? One of the main applications is smart grid. With the use of smart grids, we can improve the efficiency of city services significantly by real-time monitoring and data collection. That we can actually predict maintenance by using the data gathered and thus result in energy efficiency and optimization. Last but not least, smart waste management are also implied in smart cities. By having a systematic waste management, it will give a positive repercussion on public safety and sanitation. This can be done through air and water quality monitoring as well as efficient waste sorting and recycling. Moreover, we are able to conduct data-driven decision-making for long-term waste management strategies with the help of IoT in smart cities.
IoT is also very useful in retails. For example, there are smart shelves. They track items availability with fitted weight sensors and RFID tags. This can minimize human labor in managing inventory and reduces waste by ensuring only necessary stocks are ordered. Additionally, it is effective in detecting in-stock failure. IoT is also very useful in optimizing store layout. Sensors and Wi-Fi routers supported by data analytics algorithm captures customer flow. Thus, retailer can design their store to fit into customers' observed behavior and preferences with the data received. This results in better space allotment, aisle layouts, and product placement, ensuring seamless shopping experience that brings the most profit. Not only that, IoT is also widely used in agriculture. IoT is important in precision farming. It monitors important data such as soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient level that is then transmitted to farmers. This ensures the crop receives accurate amount of water and nutrients they need. Besides that, it can detect any signs of pests early and reduce intensive manual labor. Livestock can also be managed through IoT. Sensors attached to the animals monitor their well-being and physical location. They identify sick animals so the farmers can separate them to prevent the disease from spreading. Farmers can also use these data to improve breeding plans.
Okay, that's all from us. Bye-bye.
Bye!